Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you're signed into your Apple ID and location services are on. This lets Find My locate devices. Once done, open the Find My app from the home screen or app library. Make sure Find My iPhone is enabled in Settings your name Find My. If you have multiple devices, tap Devices to view them. This first step establishes permissions and visibility so the app can report accurate locations and communicate with Apple's network. Once you select a device, the map shows its current or last known location, and you can pinch to zoom for precision. You'll see actions: play sound to help nearby retrieval, get directions to navigate there, mark as lost to lock and display a message, or erase this device if it's unrecoverable. Make sure to check the device's network status and enable Notify when found for offline devices so Apple's Find My network alerts you automatically when it's located. Finish by verifying People and Items tabs. Share your location with family members or add AirTags to track objects. Once items are added, test play sound or check directions to confirm tracking works. If something goes wrong, first restart the affected device, confirm iCloud is signed in, and ensure cellular or Wi-Fi is active. Those steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, remove and re-add the device in Find My or toggle Find My iPhone off and on to reset the connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.